Hey folks, I'm John Strickland from FSU Undergraduate Studies. I'm here to tell you about our new course registration tool, Stellic. Stellic allows students to review remaining degree requirements, plan out future semesters, and register for classes. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to add courses to your plan, select courses from remaining requirements, and register for classes. Now, here at Florida State University, we understand that tutorial videos like the one you're about to watch are not typically the most exciting way to spend a few minutes. Some might call this boring, tedious, an affront to consciousness. But I promise that if you lock in for the next 6 to 7 minutes, it will be worth it. Hey, 6, 7. I was told you might understand that reference. I apologize if that was cringe. Let's move on. Anyway, here's what you need to know about registering for courses using Stellic.
First, log into my.fsu.edu and select the Stellic icon located in your MyFSU links. Once you open Stellic, select Go to Planner in the center of your homepage to access your planner. Now we can start adding courses to our plan. First, find the semester for which you want to plan, then select the Add To button for that semester. Add a specific course to your plan by selecting the Add Course button. In the search box that appears, type in the course you want to plan. Once the course you want appears, select it, and the course will be added to your plan. Add a placeholder for a requirement to your plan by selecting the Requirement button. In the search box, type in the requirement you want to complete, then select the requirement once it appears. Now, select the placeholder you just created, and you'll see all the courses that complete that requirement available for that term in the Search Courses tab on the right side of the screen. The Search Courses tab features several adjustable filters to fine-tune your course options. Use the Semesters filter to select a specific session for the semester. Use the Availability filter to view only available courses or all courses. Use the Attributes filter to find Honors, LLC, or Engage 100 courses. Use the Delivery Mode filter to search for online or in-person courses. Select a class to view the course details, such as course description, prerequisites, and what it can count for. When you're ready to add the course to your plan, select the Add to Plan button.
All right, everybody doing okay so far? Thought I'd interrupt my own boring audio track to make sure we're all still awake. Okay? Good. Just a little bit more to go. Now that we know how to add courses to your plan, let's learn how to register.
On the scheduler, you will see the courses you added to your plan on the left side of the screen. Select one of the courses to view and select from the available sections. The section options for the selected course will appear on the right side of the screen. The number on the right of the section shows the number of available seats. Hover over the section with your cursor to preview where the course fits on the weekly calendar in the center of the screen. Click on the section to review additional details such as building, room number, and reserve cap information. Select the plus symbol on the left of the section to add the section to your schedule. Note: online sections will not appear in the weekly calendar view. Instead, you'll see online sections right above the calendar view. Stellic will also generate up to 5 schedule options for you. Select the Generate Schedule button at the top right of the screen to open the Generate Schedule section on the right side of the screen. Lock any selected course sections by selecting the Lock All button. Set your preferences using the available options, then select the blue Generate Schedule button at the bottom right of the page. See how the schedules look in the calendar view by hovering over the schedules with your cursor. Select the schedule option you want to add it to your schedule. When you're ready to register, select the Start Registration button at the top right of the screen. Ensure the courses you want to register for are selected. When everything looks ready, select the blue Register Now button at the top right of the screen. A confirmation screen will pop up. Select the blue Confirm button to complete registration.
And that's it, folks. You are now ready to register for classes using Stellic. For more information and resources about using Stellic, go to stellic.fsu.edu. This site includes great resources on how to get the most out of the Stellic platform. From all of us here at Florida State University, welcome to FSU, and go Noles!